For today's exercise video, I'm doing a sample from my mom and baby fitness class. All you need is your baby and your mat. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. Also, check out my website, Allyfitatl.com, for more information on how to register for classes. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Let's do some squats. If your little one is older, they can sit in a bucket style facing out, or if they're tinier, hold them in a cradle position or to your heart. Another option is to also have them in a front carrier. So when you're ready, feet are shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider, toes facing forward, abdominals engaged, standing tall, and here we go. Drop down and up. Dropping those hips, squeezing those glutes on top. Inhale, exhale. And there's something about this motion that babies usually really enjoy. So it's a double benefit. You get your workout and your little one is happy. Hips are back, squeeze the glutes on top. For this next exercise, let's do some lunges. We're gonna take 1 foot forward, 1 leg back. Again, you can hold your baby in a carrier position, or they can sit on your front leg. Shoulders back, abdominals in, and here we go. Drop the back knee, lift up. Perform about 10 to 12 of these. Let's repeat on the other side. Other foot forward, other leg back. I'm holding them in a carrier position here, dropping down and lift. Keeping those shoulders pulled back, abdominals tight. Think about driving through that front heel, back knee bending. Good, last 2. And step it in and relax. For this next one, we're gonna go ahead and do some baby shoulder presses. You're gonna hold your baby under the arms, have your feet about shoulder width apart with the knees bent, core is engaged. Elbows nice and wide. You're gonna look right at your little one. Exhale, whee, baby comes up. Bring him down, give him a kiss. Mwah. Exhale, press and lower. Mwah. Good, keeping this going, nice and strong, controlled. You've got it. Exhale, press. Inhale when they come down. Nice work. For this next exercise, we're gonna hold your baby in a cradle position. Set your feet down about shoulder width apart, holding your little one in your palms and the lower part of the forearms, supporting the head. Abdominals tight, elbows in. Exhale, extend like you're serving them up on a platter. And then bring them in, give them a kiss. Mwah. Exhale, press up. Bring them in, kiss. Mwah. And you're gonna do about 10 to 12 of these. Good, you're working your shoulders and those arms. Making sure to keep those hips back and the core engaged. Good, nice work. For this next move, we're gonna do some bicep curls. Holding your little one in a cradle position, set your feet a little bit narrower than shoulder width apart. Make sure your hands supporting behind the head. Curl the wrists in. Ready, elbows tight, and exhale, curl, kiss. Mwah. Inhale down, exhale up, mwah. And lower, good. Now for older babies, you might want to have them in a face down position. So you'll be holding them just under the chest and the legs. And usually if they're older, their head's going to be lifted and you can curl them up and down this way. So pick the best position for your baby and that's most comfortable for you. All right, this next move is a full body exercise. So you're going to go ahead and have your feet shoulder width apart. We're doing a squat with an overhead press. Holding your baby facing in or out, you're gonna bring them down. Exhale, whee, all the way up to your ceiling, full extension. Inhale down, exhale, press up. And lift, sinking back in those heels. Good. So this one definitely gets your heart rate up really fast. Babies usually love this one, but if they're not feeling it, go ahead and do your basic squat, holding them in that cradle position. Okay, let's head down to the mat. With your little one on your hips, we're gonna lie all the way down. From here, we're gonna do some glute bridges. Again, this is another one that's usually pretty fun for your babies. So if they're older, they're sitting on your hips. If they're tinier, they're gonna do tummy time on your chest. So if they're on your hips, keep your knees a little bit closer together so they have support. If they can sit up, you're gonna separate your knees a bit. Both hands on baby. Think about engaging the core. Tuck those hips under. Take a deep breath, inhale, look at your little one. Exhale, whee, babies come up. Mom squeezing the glutes, abs tight. And then slowly bring it down. Inhale, exhale, whee, babies up. And then we lower. Good. Lift up. As long as you can make it a fun game for them, they're usually pretty into it. Inhale, exhale, whee. and down, making sure your hips are nice and steady throughout the entire movement. Good. And down. Okay, from here, we can add some options to it. We're gonna go ahead and add a leg raise down and up. So abs in, tuck the hips, inhale, exhale, whee, babies up. Plant that left foot on the ground, extend the other leg in the air, toe point. Drop the leg halfway down and up for 6. Back to ceiling, 5, you got it. 3, in 2, and then you'll set that foot down, nice and easy, drop the hips, and then take a full breath on the bottom. Ready? Other side, inhale, exhale, whee, babies up, other leg up, toe point, and down and up for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and nice and easy. Set that foot down, drop the hips. This next move is rolling like a ball. You're gonna take your little one tummy time on your shins, or if they're smaller, they can be to your heart. If they're here, tummy time right there. Bring your legs, thumbs around the calves, fingers around the babies. Sit up nice and tall, look right at them. 1, 2, 3, whee! Come down, shoulder blades touch, come right back up and hold. Engage in the core muscles. And lift, good. Inhale, whee, down and up. Little one's tinier, they're heart to chest. Inhale, back, come up and lift. Good. Do this for maybe 8 to 10 reps. You've got it. And if you want to challenge at the end, hold this last one up. Again, if your little one's on tummy time, right there. Breathe and hold, maybe hold about 10 to 15 seconds. Flipping around, we're gonna have your little one on their backs on your mat. We're gonna do some push-up kisses. Hands right around the little one. Knees are down, toes are lifted. Take a deep breath, inhale, keeping the abs tight. Exhale, bring it down, give them a kiss. Mwah. Exhale, press right back up. Inhale down, mwah. And lift. So your abs are tight, squeezing the glutes, back is straight. Now, if it's too low, if your little one's too low to kiss them, give them an air kiss. A little bend, mwah. And then press up, down and lift. Good. Keep it nice and strong all the way through the movement. Okay, for this next move, we're gonna do alternating bird dogs. Hovering over your baby, hands right around, little space between the knees, engage the core. We're gonna go ahead and extend one arm, one leg, and then bring it down. Other side. And lower, looking right at your little one under you. Good, focus on the balance. Focus on keeping the hips nice and steady. You're doing great. And then sink back to finish. If you'd like to join me for a mom and baby class or a pregnancy fitness class, check out my website, Allyfitatl.com, for more information and to register. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.